Earning money from Amazon FBA involves a strategic approach to sourcing, listing, and selling products. Here's a concise guide. Research profitable products. Use tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, and AMZ Scout to identify high-demand, low-competition products. Look for niches with good profit margins. Source quality products. Find reliable suppliers on platforms like Alibaba or use local manufacturers. Ensure the products meet Amazon's quality standards and have competitive pricing. Create optimized listings. Craft compelling product listings with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and relevant keywords. Use SEO strategies to improve visibility in Amazon search results. Enroll in FBA. Sign up for Fulfillment by Amazon in Seller Central. FBA handles storage, packaging, and shipping, allowing you to focus on sales and marketing. Send inventory to Amazon. Prepare and label your products according to Amazon's guidelines. Create a shipment plan in Seller Central and send your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Launch and market your products. Use Amazon PPC ads to drive traffic to your listings. Run promotions and discounts to increase sales velocity and improve product rankings. Monitor and optimize. Regularly review sales data and customer feedback. Adjust pricing, update listings, and use tools like repricers to stay competitive. Maintain optimal inventory levels to avoid stockouts. Expand product line. As your sales grow, reinvest profits to expand your product range. Diversify your offerings to reduce risk and increase revenue streams.